Ever feel like your projects are running you instead of the other way around? Too many emails, missed deadlines, and team members asking, wait, what's the status on that again? Yeah, we've all been there. But today, I'm gonna be diving into Workfront, Adobe's powerful project management tool built to bring order to the chaos. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, IT rollouts, or cross-functional teams, Workfront helps you streamline tasks, timelines, approvals, and collaboration, all in one smart workspace. In this video, I'll walk you through how Workfront works and why it might just become your new favorite productivity sidekick. So let's get right into it. First of all, if you go to their website, that's business.adobe.com, and choose Workfront, or simply do a quick Google search on Adobe Workfront and you'll land on this homepage right here. You can of course watch an overview or book a demo to try the features in real time. So if I book a demo, I need to provide my email, and I need to say here that you need to provide your business email and business phone. It's not for individuals, but rather for corporates or companies. So you need to provide your work or business information here. And once you submit it, someone from their team will contact you and arrange a demo for you. Now, let's go ahead and check the features out. Now you can plan, assign, and execute work all in one place. So here, for example, in the screenshot, you have the campaign calendar, and what it seems here that the year is split into quarters. So that's the first quarter of the year or the first 3 months, and all the tasks or campaigns here distributed throughout the year, which is pretty good. It gives you an overview of what it is. And here you can plan your projects. You can learn more about planning or see for yourself how it's done in some screenshots. You can manage your centralized work, connecting teams and tools all in one platform. You can automate your tasks here to streamline execution and accelerate time, all using the power of AI. And you can provide documents in formats like Word, PowerPoint, PDF, and more, and they'll integrate seamlessly in your workflow. And here you can build your own process automations without team of developers. So you have the automation tools built right into Workfront. And you can collaborate easily with your team across projects, and you can even add approvers or reviewers to each task or each step of the project itself. So you can deliver on time and on budget and on brand work with digital proofing. You can rely on enterprise grade audit trails to meet the challenge, and you can streamline brand compliance as well as integrate with frame.io to unify reviews and approvals. And finally, you can measure and report. So you get professional insights and reports on your projects. You can plan and track enterprise projects, gain visibility, ensure alignment to business objectives, and monitor insights, all from within one platform. And here they give you some use cases or why you should consider or who should consider using Workfront. So if you want to scale your project management effort, this one's for you. If you want to improve cross-functional collaboration, if you want to centralize project management for agencies and client work, or if you want to execute campaign planning flawlessly, if you fit into any of these categories, then Workfront is definitely for you. And here they give you some snippets on the power of AI integrated into Workfront. So you have Microsoft Copilot that is integrated seamlessly into Workfront to summarize projects, keep work on track, and monitor project health, and much more. Here you have the AI Project Health Assessment to assess and score projects and campaigns' health by monitoring the workflow. And you can receive automated pre-flight feedback on content prior to sending for approval to get an idea on how they will perform. Also, you have AI workflow acceleration. You can view the optimal allocations for team members based on historical and currently assigned work. So you can manage and assign tasks to your team better. And here they show you some big companies that are trusting them, as well as some guides to learn more about the platform. So you have some guides here, you have some blog posts, etc. And here they tell you that they integrate well with other Adobe services, such as, for example, Adobe Experience. You can integrate Workfront with Adobe Experience Manager assets. You can integrate Workfront with Frame.io, and you can integrate Workfront with the Creative Cloud, the Adobe Creative Cloud. Also, they have some questions here with answers or frequently asked questions to help you learn more. Now, let's go ahead and view their pricing pretty quickly. You click on the pricing here, and you have three packages, the Select, Prime, and Ultimate. And if you scroll down here, you can see a quick comparison between all of the features for each of the plans to see for yourself which one works better for you. So if you decide, you can get the pricing for any of these plans. Let's say I like the premium plan. If I click on get pricing, I need to provide my information, my contact information, and they'll contact me and tell me the price. They will give me the price. So you cannot see the price for yourself. You have to contact them or provide your contact information and they will contact you and give you the pricing. Now, if you go here to features in the features menu, you have the 5 aspects that I mentioned earlier: planning, centralizing work, automation, review and approve, measure and report. And you can click here to expand any of them to learn more. So if I click on planning, I can watch a video to explain more about planning, and I can read more and get in depth into the planning aspects of Workfront. And similarly, if I go to any of the aspects like centralized work, I can do the same, dive into more features for centralizing work. And the same for any of these right here. Now let's see all the integrations that are available for Workfront. You can integrate with Experience Manager assets, with Creative Cloud to collaborate without leaving the app that you are working on, with Frame.io, with Gen Studio for performance marketing. Also, you can integrate with Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Jira for project management. So, in my opinion, if you are managing projects on any scale, you need to have a tool such as Adobe Workfront. In my opinion, it will be a great addition to your tools arsenal in order to be more successful and grow your business and have better management on your projects.